Shade Shot Gloss is a semi-permanent colour and a treatment in one bottle. So it's conditioning while it's colouring. I formulated Shade Shot Gloss for everybody. Whether you're colouring your hair at home or in salon, there's a Shade Shot Gloss for you. Shade Shot Gloss is so simple to use. It goes on clean hair, so you've shampooed your hair's been towel dried a little bit, so it's still damp. Apply Shade Shot Gloss and leave it on for up to 20 minutes. So I've got 2 Shade Shot Glosses for dark hair. One is Chestnut Brunette that really adds richness and gloss and shine and a real warm feel. And Smoky Brunette that will cool any hair down, so that'll take away any unwanted orange or brassy tones in a brown or brunette. 2 for blondes as well. Champagne Blonde that will add warmth, vanilla, wheaty, really creamy, soft, almost re-highlights your hair, peps up your highlights. And Icy Blonde, probably the one that people have been asking for the most, which is a very soft, icy blonde finish that takes away any unwanted yellow or brassy tones in blondes. Always go for a lighter shade. So anybody that's got blonde ends, you want to be using a blonde product, or anybody that's got a solid brunette or a rich colour, use something darker.